Hello friends, in today's class we'll talk about attribute associated with grammar and we'll see how this attribute help us in semantic analysis. So this chapter theme is very simple that this chapter is talk about this chapter develops a theme of translation of language guided by the context-free grammar. Okay, so it's not an independent transmission. It's a translation, as I told you in the previous slide, that it is a translation guided by the context-free grammar. The attribute, that is another term. The attribute will be associated with every grammatical symbol. Okay, now here that time attribute was maybe a confusing term, but attribute associated with every grammatical symbol. And now this is the new term, semantic rules are associated with each production rule. Okay, so now here I will not go detail of this semantic rule. When we'll talk about this chapter later, I will tell you what is the meaning of this semantic rule. But for the time, I'll say that if I write a grammar, expression is equal to expression plus, let's say, term. So here expression is a grammatical symbol and term is a grammatical symbol. So first we'll attach attribute with this, and with this production rule, I will attach some semantic rule. Okay, for some semantic rule will be associated with productions. And last term is that for the evaluation of the semantic rules, syntax tree needed to be traversed. So if we want to evaluate this semantic rules, whatever the rules here, we need to traverse the syntax tree.